How to fix copy link option not working on X. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you'll want to do is to head over to Application X. Make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once you're in the home page of X account, move into your profile. And then head over to Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, move into Accessibility, Display and Languages. Move into Data Uses. First of all, head over to Media Storage. Try clearing the web storage. Click on it. Tap on Clear All Web Storage once again. After it's cleared, head over to Web Storage as well. Click on Clear Media Storage. Once again, tap on it. It should also fix the issue. If not, you need to go back and head over to Additional Resources and make sure to turn on Send Crash Reports. Sometimes, turning on this option might also fix the issue, so you might be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.